one person connected to me on LinkedIn, and he had studied history. It had zero coding background, and today he works as an AI engineer, researcher, kinda at a consultant firm. And you must be thinking, how? It's all because of these three tools that are there: ChatGPT, Excel, and even Canva is there. I know, I know. So this is the reality of 2025. The fastest growing job doesn't require a CS degree anymore. They just require proof and skills. So the trend shift is that is exploding in 2025, and the role shift is really huge. I'll tell you about it. First is the AI augmented analyst that is globally going for around $40 to $80K globally, and in India alone it's around 6 to 18 LPA. But it's a new role that is there, but it is highlighting a lot. And AI content specialists, even the people who are in market design plus AI, it's also exploding a lot now. And AI strategy associates, that is the bridge between businesses plus AI tools. So the strategy behind it. There are various names to these roles. So if you don't find it listed there, there are various variations. But these are the roles as a code. They even call it like a prompt engineer. Different kind of names are there. But at the core, these are the main things. So now credibility of yours is equal to products plus visible skills that people can actually see, like if it is a live app or live hosted thing, plus the storytelling. Like now anyone can build anything. It doesn't even require too much engineering thing, and you don't even need to know how to code. So you need to know how to have soft skill to actually tell those things. So I'll just say it straight, really straight. Degree does get you shortlisted, that's for sure, but projects and the soft skills is what gets you hired now. So if it was previously the case also, but it's high time that you realize it now. So if you can show proof of solving real problems with AI, the doors will open, otherwise they won't. So I've mapped these three career paths with step by step, skills plans inside my free roadmap that is there. Once you enroll in my newsletter, you get it in your email right away. You can check it out in the comments. The link will be there, and also in the description, all my links for my mentorship, my resource pack, my different things are already mentioned there. You can grab it from there and you can explore it. I want you guys to explore it. And these career paths, I'll give you a generic view how to start in these. And these are some of the booming ones that I found recently. By the time you are watching this video, the trend can change because 1 hour a different tool is being released and the industry shifts a lot now. So no video is truly relevant now. It's just you need to get subscribed and wait for the new one so that I can update you guys. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.